I finally got my desired PTE score. Finally, thank God. And I'm here to share with you my tips, what actually helped me to achieve the PTE success that everyone wants it. This is going to be a series of videos. I'm not going to be able to share everything that I've learned. It was months of preparation. I had to actually disappear from social media for a while so I could focus, and I actually gave up on my hobbies, like going out. I was just focusing on studying, and honestly, studying for the PTE can be challenging. Oh my gosh. So my score exactly was 88 overall. So I got 90 in listening, 90 in speaking, 84 in reading, and 83 in writing. I know exactly where I messed up in writing. Summarize spoken text. I actually made a mistake. I didn't pay attention to the time. I saw that one sentence was incomplete. I was just like, okay, I'm going to change this word for another. I went to delete it. 2 words combined together, and then the time was cut off. So there I missed it, a whole phrase, because it was all wrong. I know that it discounted a few points. Pretty sure I was already nervous, and I probably made a mistake on right from dictation. But anyway, got 83. I was happy. I was waiting for 79. I wanted 79. I didn't want 90. I just wanted to pass. For so many times, like I've done this test like 7 times. One, like the first 2 times I did, it was just for my temporary visa. So like you don't really need a high school. So I didn't study. I just didn't care. Did the test. Okay, passed. Bye-bye. So for this one, I actually needed a high school. One test, I didn't pass for 2 points. The other one, I did really well on writing, listening, and reading, but for some reason I didn't pass the speaking part. And honestly, it was ridiculous because on writing, I don't know, like I'll put it here. I'll try to share. I did so well, but on speaking, I was getting like 60 something, 67, I guess. I don't remember exactly, but it was mind blowing. I remember that I cried so much because I felt ready. I felt prepared. So how? Like, why didn't I get the score I needed? Anyway, it was overwhelming. So from this, I actually had a look at the school report, and I actually tried to find out whatever questions were needed for me to, boost my score. And I was trying to understand where I made a mistake. So this is really important, guys. You really need to try to guess whatever you're failing, because it's not a matter of only doing mock tests. It is a matter of focusing on what you've been doing wrong. You're not gonna know exactly, but you're gonna have a feeling. I'm gonna share YouTube channels that really helped me. Throughout my journey, I actually got tips from many places, and I was able to find out whatever was working for me or not. Mock tests, like, they're pretty good because you practice, and this will give you an idea of time, if you're ready, if you need to be better in one question or another. But sometimes they're not going to be really accurate. So depending on the question, don't be discouraged. I got a low score on this question, so like I'm going to give up, like I'm not getting it. No, just you need to find out whatever you're missing. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing the templates I've used. I actually corrected some of the templates that I got from the internet. Wherever I got it from, I'm going to be sharing with you. There are many people, they're really good online, and they really helped me. And I'm sure you've seen those channels. I'm pretty sure if you're studying for the PTE, this is going to be valuable to you. you. And I don't want to take much longer like on this video. This video is just for me to share that I passed, and also telling you to focus on fluency and pronunciation, especially in speaking. Speaking section is one of the main ones, and it is the one that if you screw it up, if you fumble, if you just stop talking, if you think about it too much, that's it. You lost it. I have so many experiences that I need to share, but I think that's just the beginning. I just want to be, I just want to put it out there that I got this score and I can help you achieve success in PTE. Please leave me questions and I'll be able to answer them. And with your questions, I'll be able to create videos that will help you to achieve your desired score. I need your questions because they will guide me, okay? Thank you so much for giving me your time. On the next video, I'll share the template that I used in the writing section and also on the speaking section. I'll see you on the next video. I'll share everything with you. Stick it out, like, subscribe, stay here with me, and yeah, let's fight this battle together. Let's win PTE. Let's conquer PTE together. All right. See you on the next video. Bye.